1. When to see July's full buck moon. Peak times and fun facts. 3. Buck Moon 2025. How to spot the year's farthest full moon from the sun. 4. Thunder Moon 2025. Buck Moon, Salmon Moon, and July night sky highlights. 1. When to see July's full buck moon. Peak times and fun facts. This July, prepare for a celestial showdown that connects ancient traditions to modern stargazing. The full buck moon will dominate the night sky on Thursday, July 10, 2025, hitting peak brightness at 4:37 p.m. Eastern Time. But here's where it gets controversial. While many celebrate its traditional name tied to deer antlers reaching full growth this season, bucks actually shed and regrow these impressive crowns yearly. Fierce debates ignite over its true identity. Alternative names like Feather Moulting Moon, Salmon Moon, Berry Moon, Thunder Moon, or Corn Moon all compete for recognition. Now, consider this. If multiple cultures assign distinct meanings to the same moon, does one tradition hold more weight than others? Share your take in the comments. Do you side with the classic buck moon or champion an unconventional alternative? And don't miss the moon's next chapter. It'll reset to a new moon phase on July 24th. 3. Buck Moon 2025. How to spot the year's farthest full moon from the sun. ***, get ready for a celestial spectacle. ***, the buck moon, marking the first full moon of astronomical summer in the Northern Hemisphere, is set to illuminate the night sky on Thursday, July 10, 2025. This particular full moon is notable for being one of the lowest in the sky throughout the year, making it a must-see event for stargazers. While the moon officially reaches its full phase at 4:38 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time on July 10th, viewers in North America will not be able to see it at that exact moment, as it will still be below the horizon. The optimal time to catch a glimpse of the full buck moon will be during moonrise at dusk on Thursday evening. At this time, it will rise as a stunning orange orb on the eastern horizon. To find out the precise time for moonrise in your area, consider using a moon calculator available online. This year, the buck moon will be positioned in the constellation Sagittarius, which is one of the most recognized summer constellations in the Northern Hemisphere. However, it's worth noting that Sagittarius does not boast particularly bright stars, so don't expect to see many twinkling companions near the full moon. July's full moon is particularly low in the sky, second only to the strawberry moon that occurs on June 11th. This phenomenon is due to the timing of the full moon, which is defined as being directly opposite the sun in the sky. When the sun is at its zenith during the summer solstice, the moon is at its nadir. Thus, the buck moon will follow a low trajectory, rising in the southeastern sky at dusk, traversing the southern sky without climbing too high, and eventually setting in the southwest at dawn. Interestingly, the full moon closest to the December solstice will be the highest in the sky for the year. *** related insight *** If you're interested in capturing the beauty of the moon through photography, check out tips on camera gear, settings, and composition to enhance your moonlit images. As the buck moon hangs low in the sky, it will appear larger and more colorful than usual due to an optical illusion known as the moon illusion. This fascinating effect tricks our brains into perceiving the moon as larger when it is near the horizon, a phenomenon that has intrigued scientists and stargazers alike. Additionally, the buck moon will hold the title of the farthest full moon from the sun this year. This is because Earth's orbit around the sun is slightly elliptical, and on July 3rd, Earth reached aphelion, its furthest point from the sun. Consequently, the buck moon, which occurs on the side of Earth that faces away from the sun, will be the most distant full moon of 2025. The name a buck moon originates from the new antlers that male deer begin to grow in July in North America. Other names for this full moon from Native American traditions include the salmon moon, raspberry moon, and thunder moon. In English, it is also referred to as the hay moon, reflecting its association with the midsummer harvest. Celtic traditions have their own names for this moon, such as the claiming moon, Wyrt moon, herb moon, and mead moon. Looking ahead, The next full moon, known as the Sturgeon moon, will rise on Saturday, August 9th. About the author Jamie Carter is a freelance journalist based in Cardiff, UK, and a regular contributor to Live Science. He has authored EA Stargazing Program for Beginners and frequently writes for various publications, including Space.com and Scientific American. Jamie also manages the website whenisthenexteclipse.com, providing information on upcoming astronomical events. 4. Thunder Moon 2025, Buck Moon, Salmon Moon, and July night sky highlights. The majestic Thunder Moon will light up our skies this week. Don't miss it. The astronomical summer's inaugural full moon is about to make its grand appearance, and it's bringing centuries of folklore with it. Are you ready to witness this celestial spectacle? News update. Last modified, July 7, 2025, 6:09 a.m. Originally published, July 6, 2025, 1:25 p.m. By Sarah Whites-Kodicek Whites-Koda-TSCHek at all.com. Prepare for a breathtaking celestial display as the Thunder Moon, also known as the Buck Moon, the first full moon of astronomical summer, graces our night sky this Thursday. On the evening of July 10th, sky watchers can observe this luminous spectacle rising in the southeastern horizon. The moon will remain brilliantly illuminated throughout the night before eventually setting in the southwest. While full moons occur regularly, they represent significant markers in nature's annual cycle. July's full moon earned its dramatic a thunder moon a nickname due to its coincidence with the frequent and powerful thunderstorms typical of midsummer weather patterns. The alternative name a buck moon has equally fascinating origins. This designation comes from the remarkable timing with male doors' growth cycles. By July, bucks have developed impressive antlers covered in soft velvet. The Farmer's Almanac has documented these traditional names that connect celestial events to earthly changes. But here's where cultural perspectives get interesting. In Alaska, certain Native American communities refer to this same lunar event as their salmon moon because it aligns perfectly with the annual salmon migration upstream. And this is just the beginning of July's astronomical treats. Enthusiastic stargazers should mark their calendars for additional celestial phenomena this month, including 2 meteor showers and exceptional visibility of our galaxy's magnificent spiral arm, the Milky Way. What's your favorite way to observe full moons? Do you prefer the scientific approach or appreciate the cultural folklore surrounding these lunar events? The connection between celestial cycles and earthly changes has sparked debate for centuries. Where do you stand on their significance? Share your thoughts in the comments. Disclaimer: if you purchase products or register accounts through links on our site, we may receive compensation. By using this site, you consent to our user agreement and acknowledge that your clicks, interactions, and personal information may be collected, recorded, and are stored by us and our social media and third-party partners in accordance with our privacy policy.